Okay, now we are continuing with our session of building vocabulary and we are looking at different types of root words. Today's root words are rupt and we are talking about change. As you have heard that changes should happen, you have always heard it. So, how about if we talk about only change today? Now, the word rupt. Rupt means break, then MUT, change, morph, form or shape, and meta. Meta is change or another meaning is beyond. Now how we will apply this? For example, if I am saying the first word is transmute. So transmute is a verb. What it should mean? MUT means change, so it means to transform. So I am just asking you guys to just go through them and just learn these root words first. So you have some idea that what will happen. Okay. So a synonym is alter. Another is transmogrify. Okay. Now how about another word that is amorphous? It's an adjective. A means not, right? And morph form of shape, so lacking shape. Okay, so shapeless, it can be vague. Another word is nebulous. Another synonym is nebulous. A word that you have commonly heard is mercurial. Mercurial, it's a very common word that comes often in the exams. It means erratic and subject to change. Subject to change. Right? A synonym is fickle, which is again common, capricious and vacillating. Okay. So I think you guys are understanding where I am going through with this. By this you will be able to understandings. Now what is the meaning of fickle? If I am saying about fickle, fickle means likely to change opinion unpredictably. Right? Now another word same for change is revamp. Re means again, right? To revise, renovate. Another meaning same to change is what? Amend. Amend is like to improve. Okay? So another is fluctuate. This is like irregular change, fluctuations. Okay. Now another words could be rectify for change, mitigate and ameliorate. So what we have done today, we have gone through in 5 minutes what we have gone through. We have gone through the root words, right? Rupt, mute, morph, meta. And from these we have gone through the words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, 15. Nearly 15 words in less than 5 minutes. So I hope that this thing will really help you out by when you go through the root words. So this is the end of this session. Hope you guys have understood this part.